trying to decide between CloudFormation and Terraform for your infrastructure as code? Let's break down the key differences so you can make the right choice for your team. First, let's talk about cloud support. Now, CloudFormation is an AWS native service, which means it's a hosted solution and it has deep integration with AWS services. As a result, it often gets support for new AWS features on day one. Now, on the other hand, Terraform is a cloud or a platform agnostic tool. So if you're managing infrastructure across AWS, Azure, GCP, or other providers, Terraform is going to give you that one consistent workflow across all those platforms. Now, a big consideration to keep in mind is state management works differently between the two tools. Now, CloudFormation is going to manage state for you automatically through AWS. You don't have to worry about state files or anything like that. Terraform, on the other hand, is going to require you to manage state, but it also gives you flexibility in how and where you store it. So let's touch on syntax and learning curve for each. Now, CloudFormation is going to use JSON or YAML, which many teams already know. So if you're used to writing YAML for Kubernetes manifests or other tools, it's really going to look the most familiar to you. Now, Terraform, on the other hand, is going to use HCL, which stands for HashiCorp Configuration Language, and it's a purpose-built language for infrastructure. Now, I will say many people find HCL more readable for complex configurations. Now, when it comes to ecosystems, both tools have a strong community. CloudFormation has AWS Quick Starts and its own registry. Terraform also has a massive public registry with thousands of community modules across multiple cloud providers. Now, most likely, you're going to probably find more community examples, support, and training for Terraform as compared to CloudFormation. So what's the bottom line here? Now, if you're all in on AWS and you want tight integrations across your platform, CloudFormation is an excellent choice. Now, if you need multi-cloud or you need a bit more flexibility in your tooling, Terraform is definitely worth the time and investment. Both are going to be solid choices, and it really depends on your specific needs in your organization. Now, if you like this video and you want more formal training on Terraform or other DevOps tools, make sure you go to btk.me/btk and check out all my online courses that I offer.